this is the, we can say, one of the fifth part of chapter 2, standard 8, subject social science, and I think it is the last part of the chapter because we have previously done 1, 2, 3, 4, so this is the fifth part. Okay, if an element, and I coming to the point, in this chapter, things around us, we know whatever the chapter name it is, and we have in the whole previous chapter, in the videos we have discussed about what, about the different layers which just include in the biosphere, about the creatures, okay, living and non-living creatures. Living creatures mean the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere, okay, in the biosphere. And the non-living creature, this is, and the living creature means all the human organisms, or we can say vegetation, plants, insects, etc. comes in the living organism. Okay, in this part only, if the man harms the earth by his activity, then do you think it will affect the sphere? अगर इंसान actually अभी जो nowadays what's going on to coronavirus, you know, we are making to pollutate the earth core. Now what is happening? We are getting the harming more. We are getting the more and more, we can say, polluted our earth, and now we are suffering. हम खुद सफर कर रहे हैं. Indirectly or directly we are harming ourselves. हम कहीं ना कहीं खुद को harm कर रहे हैं. Understand this thing? If man harms the earth by his activity, so what will happen? We can say that, do you think it will affect this sphere? Yes, naturally. If we affect all the things, then naturally the spheres will be affected, and indirectly or directly it will affect us also. Understood this thing? Now, what is in that? Here we can say a diagram is given. Okay? What is a diagram? Just diagram model, we can say a picture is given. Components of the biosphere. In the middle is written components of the biosphere, we can say. Whatever the drawings are there in every subject, it's called a different definition given, wherein names are there. Okay? So, whatever you want to say. Here the components of the biosphere. First, natural, man-made, non-living, and the people-made. Okay? So, if I talk about the natural, the birds, whatever the planets are there, the trees, the jungles, all are natural made. Now, if I talk about the man-made, the industry sector, non-living, we can say the Taj Mahal monument, the structure, the roads, what we have made for our satisfaction is also what? Is also called as the man-made, and they are also included in the component of the biosphere. Now, people, the third and important factor, because on the earth, the peoples are there, we are affecting the atmosphere, and indirectly we are own getting it also. Okay? People, rest of peoples, for example, we are living peoples, we are telling some of the peoples are under the tree because they need the tree required for the air. Okay? Some peoples are teaching, some people's families are showing. It means different type of peoples are there. As a, we can say the other organisms, and we have the specific thing is that we have brains. हमारे पास दिमाग है. इतना समझ में आया सबको? Okay. Now it means the component of the biosphere is divided into three parts. First, natural. Second, man-made, and third is the people. Understood this diagram? Now we will go down. अब नीचे की तरफ जाएंगे. Component of biosphere. Understand now? Another is there. Effects of the human activity on sphere. What is there? Effects of the human activity on sphere. Just have the diagram. Diagram not in science is called a drawing, we can say, beautifully given in the textbook. Picture we can say, okay, is given in that part. The peoples are having the agriculture, you know, near the river base. Near the river base we can say, okay, plantation is grown more because we know the water is needed to grow any crops or any things which are different state have the different crops to be grown. है ना, अलग-अलग स्टेट में अलग-अलग चीजें ग्रो की जाती हैं. मोस्टली जो नदियाँ होती हैं अगर अच्छी फ्लो देती है, अगर अच्छी बारिश होती है तो वहाँ पे जो क्रॉप्स ज़्यादा पानी स्टोर करता है वहाँ पे ग्रो होता है. Naturally, some of the plants which have want the less water they are growing in the other states, but small or less we want that the water is required. In the diagram you can see the village is there. Okay, but in that side you also see the industrial sector which harms. Okay, the plantation also sometimes written the effects of human activity on spheres. How we human people have been creating the human activities and affecting the sphere also. Understand? Now just go to the discussion part. Reading part before I'm just scrolling up. Okay, what is written here? Human beings knowingly and unknowingly undertake many activities. ह्यूमन बींग जो होते हैं नोनली और अननोनिंग जाने अनजाने में बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज करते हैं जो डेवलपमेंट की तरफ तो जाता है. वी आर डूइंग द डेवलपमेंट बट इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हाट हैपनिंग ह्यूमन एक्शन कॉजेस हम लोग नुकसान करना शुरू कर देते हैं. वी आर इम्बैलेंसिंग अवर स्फीयर्स. Which are the spheres? We know that ना. We can say hydrosphere, water, land. इसी फॉर्म में अगर बोलो water, land, atmosphere को हम हार्म करते हैं. Human action cause an imbalance in the different sphere. Due to this, the balance of various spheres is threatened. Underground nuclear testing, too much drilling for mineral oil, and excessive drilling of tube wells affect the lithosphere and cause an imbalance. The dumping of waste from the villages and cities along with industrial waste in the water bodies. What is happening? Due to the we are drilling and taking out all the mineral wells, so we get the imbalance is created. एक imbalance हो जाता है, ठीक है. उसके अलावा हमारे टेस्टिंग में न्यूक्लियर टेस्ट, बॉम्ब्स टेस्ट करते हुए पावरफुल और नॉट, डेवलप कंट्रीज और नॉट, दैट्स द indirect test. Doing okay, excessive drilling of the tube wells also affect the lithosphere. हम जमीन को भी बर्बाद कर देते हैं, wanting more and more water, but what to do? We are creating a population. Due to the such reasons are there, okay, the dumping of the waste from the villages and the cities along with the industrial waste in the water getting onto them. और बहुत सारे जो हम कह सकते हैं the waste in the villages, industrial sector, whichever the pollute water goes there, which also pollute. The polar caps have started melting due to the increasing global warming बढ़ी है, गर्मी बढ़ी है, जिसके कारण जो polar cap ice caps है वो melt होना शुरू हो रहा है, transferring the oceans to be level to be up, okay. And the oil spills from the ship and disposal of industrial chemical waste in the water cause the destruction of marine life, which is highly dangerous for the hydrosphere. अब समुद्र के अंदर जो खनिज के जो ऑयल लिया जाता है, ठीक है, वो जो चीजें होती है वो क्या करते हैं, कभी अगर उसमें ब्लास्ट हो जाए, प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, तो we can say it destructs the ocean. Many of the aquatic animals are there just nearby the ocean. whale मरी हुई बाजू में आ जाती है, fishes मरी हुई बाजू में आ जाती है. These all are destructed by the human beings. Harmful gases emitted by the industries, workshop, power station, vehicle, polluted air. ये harmful gases जो होते हैं, जो industries, workshops, power station, जहाँ से भी हम लोग vehicles हम करते हैं, air निकलता है, that harmful us. Understood that thing? इतना सबको समझ में आया? Now we are talking about the harmful gases I told, which just coming out from the industrial sector. Okay, industrial sector, industries, workshop. Gases बोलो, water बोलो, whatever. We are going to the developing to develop. We are latest technology हमें चाहिए, लेकिन उसके साथ हम क्या करें, हम नुकसान कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, हम हमारे अर्थ का नुकसान कर रहे हैं. That's why indirectly nowadays also best example that we are living at home, है ना. First we are keeping the animals at home. Now we are living at home and we are what we are doing. By living at home we are creating various problems. Understood this thing? The amount of CO2 in the air increase due to the cutting of the trees. The amount of CO2 in the air increases due to the cutting of the trees. Naturally, monoxide, carbon dioxide increases due to the increase in the higher frequency of the vehicles. आजकल सबको गाड़ी चाहिए. Naturally, गर्मी ज़्यादा है, किसी को चलना पसंद नहीं, बेहोश हो जाते हैं ना. Inflation due to the the people are we have want the that hydrox हो जाता है, हमें we can say dehydration हो जाता है. So various reasons are there. The areas which are the high frequency of the vehicles, so increase the rate of the carbon monoxide in the air. The amount of CO2 in air increase due to the cutting of the trees. This air just rises. See, ये बढ़ता जा रहा है. Why it increases? Why it increases? We can say because we are cutting the trees. We want each and everything to be cut. है ना, हमें साफ सुथरा चाहिए. But we doesn't know that trees, this forest gives us the many things in our home. Where if the medical plantation are there, which gives us good air, oxygen, and plus the medicine also, we can grow in the front of the homes also, the societies also. But we are not doing this. That's why I say the amount of the CO2 in the air increases due to the cutting of the trees. Heat on the earth increases, and due to the increase of CO2 in the air, and पेड़ काटने से क्या होता है? We know the heat of the earth increases due to the increase in CO2 in air. In this way, human activity affect the biosphere. In this way, the human activity affect the biosphere. It will affect the land, water, and air. We are free of it. We are affecting, by which we are living, the creatures are living, the human beings are living, it all are affected. The nutrient links of the nature are endangered due to the exploration of environment will enter us. Even when we मौसम में AC चालू करते हैं, what will happen? It will create. What happen? We create the global warming, है ना? गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा. We are just creating the increasing of global warming. But we want our necessary needs also. That's why we are increasing more and more. तो हम कह सकते हैं due to the increase of the level of the carbon dioxide only, what happens? Many things are destructing directly or indirectly. Okay? We are due to the industrial sector, हमें सब कुछ नया पैकेटिंग चाहिए, सब कुछ अच्छा चाहिए, तो उसके वजह से भी ये प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट होती है. We are exploiting the environment which enters the biosphere. The chapter is over here. The projects are there. You can do by your own. Here are some of the questions are there. Okay, what do you know by our Earth? Okay, write a short note. So in Earth, we know the 4 levels I have explained you. The 4 levels I explained you. You can know about your Earth. You can write about your Earth. Okay, how much time was taken by the Earth to reach present after stating from the sun? जब आपका गोला बन गया था, उसके बाद कितना टाइम लगा? How much takes to be low and what are the things and made? You can have the answer from the textbook also, from the videos only. Okay, I have explained each and everything. How are the spheres of the Earth integrated? All the spheres, 3 spheres: air, water, land. Make simple, I will say in the language: air, water, land. Okay, these are the which connected with the biosphere. These all the spheres are interrelated. Yes, ये सारे के सारे interrelated है, एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. Then there are some of the fill the blanks are there. There are totally how many spheres are there? Lithosphere covered with how much percent? 29. Then liquid we can say from the atmosphere. Hydrosphere is covered of the 71%. Because oceans are covered. Hydrosphere of water makes up the X%. So these all the answers. Ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun. So these all answers are in the videos and plus with what? In the textbook also. So you have to read the textbook and the what? You have to read the textbook and check the videos. ठीक है, videos check करना बहुत जरूरी है. And before that you have to purchase the what? You have to purchase the textbooks so that you can easily understand each and everything. When you get the videos on that time, please I request you to purchase the textbook so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Here, after that, some meanings of the terms are given. Definition we can say the essence is called definition. Lithosphere we know, hydrosphere what is we know, atmosphere we know, biosphere and pollution. I said many of the definitions are there, not about the textbook, but read all the textbook from anywhere, any question can be asked. Okay. After that, there are the true false are there. You can have the true false also. सही गलत बोलते हैं हिंदी में इसे. The Earth is a member of a solar family. The proportion of the surface of the Earth कितना होता है? The fresh water, okay, oxygen, oxygen. So whatever the question are there, you can do by yourself because everything is explained in the video. Each and every line I have explained. So you can read the textbook and check the video. You can have your answer. Now, plus there are some of the two lines we can write for the mountain, fields, rivers, lake, forest. How they are related to your life. ठीक है, और आपको लाइफ को कैसे हेल्प करता है वो हम देख सकते हैं. इस तरह से हमारा एक्सरसाइज जो है वो कंप्लीट हो गया है. हमारा चैप्टर जो है यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया है. चैप्टर में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा हम कह सकते हैं अबाउट द लास्ट वाज द बायोस्फीयर. ओके, प्रीवियस इट वाज व्हाट? लुक एट द साइकिल. ये साइकिल वी कैन हैव. बायोस्फीयर से पहले हमने एटमॉस्फेयर, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर हमने हाइड्रोस्फीयर और सबसे पहले लिथोस्फीयर. जमीन सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, लिथोस्फीयर सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, उसके बाद हाइड्रोस्फीयर इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, उसके बाद एटमॉस्फेयर, उसके बाद थ्री कॉम्बिनेशन को बायोस्फीयर कहते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? दिस आर ऑल द डिस्क्रिप्शंस व्हाट आई हैव गिवन. ठीक है, इसके बाद हमने और क्या किया? वी कैन से एक्सप्लोर सो दैट इजी. Here the different oxygen level 21% oxygen, nitrogen 78% and the other gases are 1%. 5% से ज़्यादा होता है तो हम डायरेक्ट 1% काउंट कर लेते हैं और उससे कम होता है मैथमेटिक्स में हमने पढ़ा होगा मैथ्स में ये काउंटेड एज 78%. ओके, नेक्स्ट अबाउट द एटमॉस्फेयर. You can get the very of the example I am simply repeating so that you can easily understand what the look 78 21 given ना. तो मैंने बताया 5% से ज़्यादा होता है. मैप की तरफ देख सकते हैं, हमने सारी चीज़ें देख ली. ओके, हाइड्रोस्फीयर देख लिया, हमने सब देख लिया. ठीक है ना. इसके अलावा हमने लिथोस्फीयर भी देख लिया. हमारा चैप्टर 2 जो है यहाँ पे खत्म हो our chapter number 2. Now I am closing this video.